and a very warm welcome to Dolphin 254, your number one channel here in Kenya that keeps you updated on all the infrastructural developments happening in the country. As you can see my background, I came all the way to Mombasa. I came to update you on the current constructions of the Mwache Bridge. Guys, see for yourself. Look at all these. Yeah, there are massive changes that are happening here that I just want you to see for yourself. Make sure you watch this video till the end. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a like and don't forget to comment. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me show you around. The DONGO KUNDU Bypass, also known as the Mombasa Southern Bypass, is a major road project here in Mombasa, Kenya. It connects three main transport corridors, which includes the Mombasa-Nairobi Highway, the Mombasa-Malindi Highway, and the Mombasa-Lunga Highway. So phase one of this project, which was finished in 2018, runs from Mombasa Port's second container terminal, and it joins Mombasa-Nairobi Highway at the Bonje near Mazeras. So in today's video, I'm gonna be updating you on the current constructions of the DONGO KUNDU Bypass phase 2, which involves installation of two bridges, one at Mwache and the other at the Mteza, spanning more than 2 kilometers and 680 meters respectively. So I hope you're going to love this video. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to share your views. So stay tuned. Let me walk you around. So these are the latest updates. If you're already loving this, give the video a like and share. So guys, as you can see, we have just arrived at the Mwache Bridge. I had to come just to update you on the current updates, like to see what's happening. There's a video that I've already done showing you how constructions were going on here. I link the video up there so that you can also check it out. So I think you'll be able to compare that video which I did some months back and compare it to what's happening right now. The progress is massive. I'm just loving it. Wow, as you can see, we are finally here at the Mwache Bridge. Did you know that Mwache Bridge is 660 meters long? Well, I thought you should know. So now we are going to take a boat ride. I'm going to be taking you up to the end of this bridge. That's where the bridge will be connecting the Tsunza Peninsula Viaduct. The viaduct that connects Mwache Bridge to the Mteza Bridge. Oh my God, I can't even wait to reach the end. I just want you to see for yourself what I'm talking about. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, or if you're already loving this video, just give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share your views. So let's do this, guys. So these are the latest updates, guys. I think you can see for yourself. You know, I promised you that I won't be speaking much. I just want you to see for yourself. So I decided to do a boat ride. It costs 50 shillings from where we've started the ride all the way to the last point. So just see for yourself. Let me know what you think about the current updates. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing today. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. as you can see, guys, we've just alighted. This is now the end of the Mwache Bridge. Yeah, our 50 shillings has just ended like that.
So we have landed in Sunza.
Oh, this is now Sunza? Yeah, so we are going to show them the Sunza Viaduct.
Sunza Viaduct, I mean, sorry.
Yes, to Sunza Viaduct.
Yeah, so right now we are just walking and showing you the end of Mwache Bridge.
Yes.
So if you're loving this, comment.
Yeah, like this video.
And tell us what you think about this bridge.
Yeah.
But in my view, I think this bridge,
It's almost done.
yeah, and it will really change this place.
What are these? Scorpion?
Crabs.
Oh, they are crabs.
I don't know.
Small crab. Yeah, they are crabs. Be careful. Wow, so these are the latest updates. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Hey, today we've walked. Hey, today I've really walked. This is enough exercise. I've never been to this side, and I've been able to do this courtesy of Mose.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, guys, subscribe.
He has taken me all the way to this place. Yeah, there is Mose.
2,000
subscribers before the end of this month. 2,000 and more.
Yeah. So guys, when the ocean tides are high, water normally fills this area.
Oh, because I can see we have some sand, and also the place is wet.
Yeah.
It's full of crabs. These are crabs?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, they are crabs. It's full of crabs. So, wow, there are so many. Look at them. But they are still young.
So where this bridge ends is where the DONGO KUNDU Bypass phase 2 starts.
Oh,
Yeah, so the phase 2 starts from that.
where
That
the
end.
Mwache Bridge ends.
Yeah.
Let's go. We are going to show them.
And for information, that the bypass number 2 is Kenya's second most expensive road.
Oh, the second DONGO KUNDU Bypass.
Yeah, phase 2.
Oh,
Per
okay.
kilometer, that is.
Oh, yeah. So from Mteza Bridge, this is the DONGO KUNDU phase 2,
Yeah.
where
so,
it starts.
Yeah, so in short, the phase 2 is between the two bridges, Mwache and Mteza.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we've just shown the Mwache.
Mwache,
So Mteza Bridge is
like 8 kilometers from
from
this,
here?
Yeah, from this place.
okay.
Yeah.
So I think you've heard that. So we are going to call it a day for today. This is where we are going to end our video. I hope you've loved the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know what you think, and let me know where you're watching us from. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to this channel. I love you all. Have a blessed day. Until next time. Bye. how fast. Time to say goodbye. Bye bye.